Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is African Eve. Kama umesubscribe, thank you so much Aki. And kama hujasubscribe na una view, what the hell are you waiting for? Anyway, I'm kidding. Subscribe too. And so I just want us to get straight to the video of the day. But before that, by the way, I want to give you guys a highlight of how my week was. So this week nilishukwa, and yeah, it's common, I know, but I loved it. And yeah, alafu nikabuy one item online. It was my first time shopping online, and it was amazing because I got exactly what I asked for. And I will tag the person who sold the item to me on my Instagram. She has an online shop. I will tag her. Please remember to follow me on my Instagram at Eve_African. Alafu nitakuwa na updates. And then I bought another sweater in town. And I guess even though the only things I did this week. Oh, hiyo sweater nilibuy wapi? Mnaona bus station mkiwa tao. Around your area kuna na place ingine watu kwa mkokoteni. Ni mkokoteni ama nini? I don't know, wanakaga tu hapo hivyo wamejipanga after the fruit vendors. Ukienda tu hapo, imagine they sell amazing cardigans / sweaters na sweater tops pia at an amazing price. I got mine at 200 bob. Na hiyo ni cheap compared to kama ninge struggle kufika hadi Gikomba, especially kama unaogopa kutembea Gikomba juu unaona utapotea. It's a good place for you to go buy your cardigan or your sweater there, and you will enjoy. So after this, I'm just going to show you guys briefly the things that I buy wiki, alafu we get straight to the video. Bye.
I was born strong. I was made for this.
Money fall on you, banana fall on you, Prada fall on you, 'cause I'm in love with you, eh. Money fall on you, banana fall on you, paparazzi follow you. Oh, don't see me when you're here. Oh, do you, yeah, mama, you.
So nitachukua hii, then the fold, and then nitakuja nitafute mwanzo. From there nitaanza tu kuroll. Una make sure hizi parts zenye ziko rough ziko na ndani zimekunjuka. So nitafanya hivyo mpaka mwisho. So nitaenda nifike mwisho. Nikifika mwisho nitaona vile nitafanya. So unaona ile mwanzo yangu, nitakuja niweke hii ya mwisho juu. And then nikikuwa na hapa hivi, nitachukua shindano yangu nianze kushona. So na prefer utumie uzi ya black because haitaonyesha. And unashonea side ya ndani, usishonea side ya nje. Ukishonea side ya nje itakuwa inaonekana. And try to hide your stitches as much as possible. And then when I'm done, ndakata sasa hii extra part. Sijatoa uzi na shindano because I would need to hide this extra part. Naona hivi nda hide.